welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to put together 3 very easy lemon fresh kitchen vignettes using leftover decor in your home. So let's get started.
So this is all of the, or some of the stuff that I found from last year that was my lemony yellow things, and I just kind of scouted my house. And it's funny because I forgot that I had half of the stuff, and the dishes that I got from Dollar Tree, this isn't half of the dishes that I got from Dollar Tree, but I brought those out just in case I might want to put them into these vignettes. But I was surprised I found this much yellow stuff. Again, you remember these placemats. Thank you, Easy Living with Elle, for sending me those placemats last year. And so I'm going to try to put together use as much as I can of this yellow and lemons where it makes sense.
So the first vignette is just, again, things that I had around the house. And let's stop talking. Let me just show you what I did.
And you know I don't like a lot of stuff on my countertop, but I'm doing these vignettes just to give you some inspiration, and maybe you can pull out some of your yellow stuff that you had from last year. I totally forgot that I had half of this stuff. So I'm happy to be able to use it. Again, most of the stuff is thrifted too. I just noticed that. This yellow vase, I painted that yellow. It was originally a brown color and I painted it. So this is the first vignette that I'm bringing to you with using the Dollar Tree, some of the Dollar Tree dishes. And just quickly using that Lazy Susan and placing it on the counter on the center island near the stove. And just it sort of brightens up the area. But this is a quick one that you can pull together from home. Just take a vase, some flowers, some dishes, maybe a Dollar Tree saucer and a cup, and boom, you got a little vignette there.
So I hope you like that one. And if that wasn't easy enough, let me show you vignette number 2.
I'm going to use this vase that's left over, and this was a makeover from a Goodwill vase that I painted white. So I'm going to use that now and pop in some of my yellow vines. And it's funny, I didn't use these yellow plants last year. I think I forgot that I had them. But I had 2 of them. It would be nice if I had 3 or more. But I bought 2 of these. And I'm going to pop these into this white vase and use some fern as just filler. And just pulling this together with the lemon plant and some fern as filler, using this thrifted vase, which was a makeover. And just to give you a scenario of something you could probably pull together on your own using things from around the house. And here you'll see I'm bringing out this stand and a Dollar Tree plate. Now I remember I only have one big dinner plate from Dollar Tree. I remember scouting around last year all over town looking for 4 plates. And this set was so popular from Dollar Tree, I could not find any plates. I think I only found 1 plate if I recall. I'm going to go back and check my stock, but I think I only have 1 plate. But I thought this was a nice little vignette with the Dollar Tree plate on a stand, the yellow lemons plants in a vase. And I think this makes just a nice little vignette, nothing over the top. So here's my suggestion number 2. And I hope you take some inspiration from this one. Let me know in the comments which of these vignettes is your favorite. I actually like them all, but let me know which one you like in the comments. I'm curious. Now, mind you, I'm doing this for your benefit. I'm not going to keep all this stuff on my counters. There's just no way. I'm just giving you trying to provide some inspiration for folks who are sitting at home and totally forgot that they had this yellow lemon decor. Go check your stash. You might find some too.
Real easy, right guys? Really easy. So moving on to vignette number 3.
Okay, here we come up on vignette number 3. I found these lemons. I knew I had these lemons. I think I may have more, but I'm not really sure. Gotta check. But I put them inside of this Hearth and Hand cake dish that I got from cake stand and cover that I got from Goodwill. What a score this was. I think that was $6, I think, if I recall. I paid for that whole Hearth and Hand cake stand, brand new, using a Dollar Tree saucer on another stand and a rooster. That rooster was thrifted from Goodwill several months ago. And here's another vignette very quickly in that corner. That's my favorite corner to decorate in the kitchen. I use it all the time in my kitchen vignettes challenges. So that was the third vignette.
And now I have a 4th bonus vignette with lemon fresh kitchen decor.
So here's a bonus vignette. This is over in my coffee area. What I have here is this placemat that I sort of folded over like a towel. And I'm using my DIY ladder, towel ladder, and I'm just putting it over there as if it was a towel. And using this dish, this container, this canister, and that was thrifted as well last year, and putting some tulips in it. And again, boom, here's another vignette. This is the bonus vignette. So there you have it, folks. Comment below. Let me know which one of these vignettes was your favorite. And go check your stash. You may have some yellows in your stash, some lemons somewhere. Check your stash. Let me know. Have you found any yet?
So I hope you like these 3 plus the bonus lemony fresh vignettes, just to give you just a little inspiration to pull out some of that stuff from last year. And if you're still stuck in the house like I am, maybe you can make some of these vignettes come to life in your home. So thank you for stopping by, guys. I appreciate you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.